to get a refund on Google Play in-app purchase. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Play Store on your device. Then, select the app you purchased. After you've selected the app you purchased, you will find a refund option beside Play. Click on Refund. After you have clicked on Refund, you will find this kind of screen. Press on Yes. After you have pressed on Yes, it will be refunded. As you can see, are you sure you want to refund purchase? If you press on Yes, you're good to go. This is how to get refund on Google Play in-app purchase. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.